my name is Varen and we're checking out the Kebun Village car Bali. I can't understand that language. Well, you cannot touch these cars, but these cars, there are some quite good ones. Just ignore the background sound. This looks like the Hot Wheels.
Yeah, Hot Wheels. I'm gonna fix your head, okay? What do you call this?
I think it was the drag racer from the Hot Wheels. This is definitely. This is cool. Hey, I think this is like a mini car. I can fit in there, but you can't. This is for like kids. Yeah, this is definitely a mini car. Look inside.
How many people can fit in?
Only like 2 juveniles and then 1 adult.
Okay. Want to keep going?
Okay.
There, you see here.
This looks like a car that's flattened. Do you think so? Yeah, definitely a car that's flattened.
Flattened? What do you mean by flattened?
Flattened. You know, like when you get a can and then you, that's flattened.
Squeeze them.
Yeah, that's flattened. Flattened. So they just come flat like that. It's kind of cool.
Anything interesting? Is that a Batman car?
What Batman car? No, Batman car is not an old mouse-looking car. You see that? Doesn't that look like a mouse?
Okay.
Okay. This yellow one reminds me of that Bumblebee movie.
Taxi. 1972.
1972.
I was born 1973. So this Volkswagen is 1 year older than me.
1 year older than you?
Yep.
So that means this is 44 years old.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That's correct. What else you see here?
Oh.
What is this? 1968. Is even older than me.
Even older? That means it's
like
50.
Katie, golf cart, Katie.
No, but just 2 extra seats and no back one. You have a golf cart, there gotta be like
Look
2.
at that. You remember the movie?
Oh my god, 1914?
Is that Harry Potter movie or? Oh no, it's a mummy. Yeah, that's or.
I don't like that mummy. It was like more like he said like mummy money.
Okay.
And then, what?
Look at the wheel.
Oh, it looks pretty
So tiny.
old.
Tiny
and it's
white.
1914.
1914, yes, correct.
And this one is 1913. Oh my goodness.
It's even older.
Even older? This thing is 100 and... No, not 100. 93 years old.
What? 93 years old? Really?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not sure about it, but...
Hey, you think I'm good at math?
Anything interesting?
You know what?
Look at that. We go that way.
Okay. This red car looks interesting. This looks like a rich man car, you know? Yep, definitely. This car is... Why is all the cars humongous?
Okay,
This car is huge and then so long. Is that a Jeep? 1964. Oh my god, what do I see right now? Is that a bird?
call it Beno.
Is that a bird? Or a dump truck?
Not so dumb.
Look! Look. It looks
I
like
like
a
this
bird mixed with a dump
I
truck.
like this one. Looks good.
Looks good. It's a dump truck. She's cool and
Okay.
Oh wait, it's definitely a
Look at
jump.
that's another Hot Wheels. Go, you move to that area.
That one? Okay. This Hot Wheels has an exposed engine.
1934. Look at the engine.
1930. It's exposed. This must be the best racer car.
Why?
Because look at the engine. If you saw Hot Wheels, you know? I watch Hot Wheels. I don't just chill. Let's see inside. Oh,
How many people can fit in?
only 2 babies.
Okay. Let's go to the other side. Looks very unusual, that one. Lagi bikin video. Look at that.
Okay.
This is the tiny
What
whiny that you
in
can carry stuff.
the world? Hey, tiny but have a huge dump on his left.
Oh, it's a mini.
Mini car. Wait, I saw a car over here.
Pink one. The pink one. You like this pink?
Look, it
This
says,
one. Look at that.
oh, too bright. Obi would like it. You just look at the name. Flat Who.
Fiat. You call it Fiat.
Flat Who.
I think that's about it. We go back to that area there.
Oh my God.
What is it? What is it? Show me.
Do you see that? What is this? Very armored.
This I don't know.
It's very armored. Look. Ow!
Bulletproof. This.
Man, I should not punch it.
Look at
Yeah, the
look at
wheels are.
that Batman car. This one.
You should. Yeah, definitely Batman. Look at this. This is the sign of Batman when he transformed into the flying mobile. Look at this. This is the flying. What? This is exactly like Batman's fighter jet. And this one's flattened car.
That's a nice truck. I love the blue. I love the blue of this car. Chevrolet.
Okay. This is cyan, by the way.
Chevrolet.
I thought this was cyan. Oh wait, no, that's cyan. Okay.
This is what is it? Unfinished business here.
Oh. Oh wait, how
They're
many?
building it. Rebuild the old car. Make a new one.
This is not very old.
Yes, it's old. Come on, go there. That way, we go that way.
This is not very old at all.
Okay, so far, which one is your favorite?
My favorite. Wait, we gotta go front again.
Let's find your favorite car.
Yep. Oh,
Hey,
Little janky.
Coca-Cola.
not this one. Yes, I would like this one. I'm sure yes, I would.
This one must be.
Yes, hot road.
It's a hot rod. It's not Hot Wheels.
It's a Bali hot road.
Hot Wheels is a
Hot rod.
hot rod actually. My God, that's so cool. Really cool.
You know, remember I said only 2 juveniles and 1 adult can fit in? I am a juvenile. Oh my God, this thing is so small it's even better. But can't even move it. That's really strange. But the inside looks cozy. Huh, how can you see when you're racing? Look at that, the windows are so small.
I think that's about it, yeah? So,
Except for that
say goodbye.
flattened bus.
See you again, guys.
What? Look at that flattened bus. Is that a bus? Or is that a car?
We're outside.
I know.
You want to go outside?
Wait, is this a bus? No. There's one more animal right here. Huh.
Okay.
It's a lyrebird.
Okay.
Wait, a
about
lyrebird can imitate voices.
Really?
Yeah.
Try then.
Just like the lyrebird. Did you hear that sound? That was the sound of an alarm.
Get closer. Get closer.
I'm not sure. They're all territorial, so if something gets close to them, they will jump on them or scream. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.